Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how easy and simple it is to make yourself a nice low carb meal. I am not a chef, okay? Natty is definitely the chef in this relationship. But what I've got here is ingredients, guys. Simply put into a hot pan with some avocado oil. Let's give that a turn. There you go, avocado oil. And I've got about 50 grams of spinach. I've got some mozzarella cheese. I've got some avocado, which you can see is not even cut up there. There we go. I'm going to cut that up a bit more. We've got some avocado. We got a little bit of chicken. Not too much on the chicken. I want to go two over with the protein. And we got some chia seeds. And I've even got a little bit of cottage cheese in there. So there you go, guys. And that's a very quick, good value fats, proteins, and very low carb. And a lovely cheesy taste with the mozzarella. And there we go. And before I burn it, I better finish this video. Alright guys, peace out.